Hello, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Michael Glass, and I'm one of the trainers here at SCM Forex. And this is part two of our placing order video series. In the last video, we really did the education side. We talked about the different type of orders. In this video, we're going to actually pull up the MT4 platform, and we're going to place the trades to make sure you understand how to place trades properly in the MT4 platform. Since we're going to actually pull things up, we need to go ahead and make sure we get out our disclaimer. Anything you see today is for educational purposes only. Any back testing, any strategy you see, future results are not guaranteed. There is a chance of loss in any type of trading. Trade at your own risk. So again, this is part two of our placing an order video. We talked about market orders, stop orders, limit orders, and we're going to get to trailing stops shortly. So what's the difference between our market, limit, and our stop orders? As we talked about in our last video, a market order gets you in at the current price. You want in a trade, do a market order. In a more volatile market, you might get a little slippage, so you may not get the best price or a great price, but you'll get in. A limit order is when you say, I want to get into this trade, however, I only want to get in at a specific price. We're in an uptrend, I want to wait for the pullback and get in at a specific price. A market order, you might say, hey, I just want in, I'll ride it out. In that same situation, a stop order also gets you in at a specific price. However, you have to wait till a price is reached. Now, of course, with a limit order, you got to wait for that price to be reached also. But a stop order, a better way to look at it is, for those of you who have any trading experience, many people use limit orders for pullback orders. Let the trend happen. When we pull back, I'm going to use a limit order to get in on the pullback. And a stop order is for breakout trading. The market is moving, it's already pulled back, and as it's breaking to a new price level, I'm going to use a stop order to catch that move into a new order. You'll have to determine what type of trading is best for you, but that is the difference between the three orders. So let's go up and pull up the MT4 platform and show you how to place each type. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about, or you can see I have these one-click trading market order type buttons on my screen. If you right-click, you can see one-click trading right here. You click on it and it's gone. Bring it back, it's there. In order to use these, you do have to accept the disclaimer and the disclosures about what they are, so that will happen. But there's multiple ways for you to get into an order. You can go over to your market watch, new order, and you can see the default is for a market trade. Remember, market puts you in at that price. So there's no price that you have to put in here. It just says buy or sell. Also up here at the top is order. If you click on that, again, market execution is the default, and it's just sell or buy. So again, market orders get you in at the current price where market is going. But let's say we're taking a look at the market. Remember how we can expand and close this from our previous video. And look at the euro. We can make an argument that we were in an uptrend going up, and now we're making a pullback, and we just broke above the price high. We don't have to argue about this because this video is not about strategy. It's about how to place a trade. So if we were earlier, I could say, hey, I could have a buy stop because as we're breaking higher, I want to get in. But we're not doing that. So I'm just going to go over here to new order. And remember, a limit is something we're looking for a specific price. A buy limit is when we want to get in below current price. So I'm going to change this from market execution to a pending order, and you can see now our limit and stop orders are there. So I'm going to say a buy limit, and again, it has to be below, a buy limit has to be below where the price is. So I'm just going to click on this, and you can see it automatically will fill in the price for me. And I just want to go way down here just so that you can see it. And so this is 1.173723. So let's go down there. I'm going to catch that pullback down to there. So 1.1723. A buy limit. We're not going to talk about this the stop loss and take profit. That's going to be a little bit later when we're talking about the trader stocks. I do want you to see this. What is the size of your order? Your account, your risk. Some people feel good with risk, some people don't. But you can come in here and you can change the size of the trade. You can also type it in manually. Once you have everything you like, I have a buy limit. I have my price. Oh, how did that happen? Have my price in there. Now you can see this green line right here. That is that pending buy limit order. If market comes back to this price, I want to get in. Now, we could also make an argument that this is resistance. Look how the market congested here, market congested here. So whatever this price is, I think if the market gets back to here, it's going to sell. So again, new order, pending order. This is going to be a sell limit this time. And what is our price? That price was 1.18710. So I'm just going to come in here, 710, and say place. So we have our buy limit order. If the market pulls back, I want to get in, and we have a sell limit order. I think the market's going to pull back and fall down. What's important for you to understand is that a buy limit order is when you want to get in the market below the current price. A sell limit order is when you want to get into the market above the current price. Okay? I'll come down here. I'm just going to go ahead and delete these orders. And now let's talk about the stop orders. So again, although a buy limit is below the current price, a buy stop is above current price. So since we're moving higher, and I think if we break through this next level here, we're going to go higher and retest the highs. So again, I'm going to just say new order, pending order. I'm going to say buy stop. What's our price level right here? That's 1.1845. So let's go in there, 1.1884. Okay, and I'm going to say place. So if the market comes up here and grabs me, this is a buy order now. It's a buy stop. So I want the market to go up. Similarly, again, this is where I had that buy limit before. Well, you know what? If we break all of this, I think the market is going to go lower. So that is a sell limit. So I'm going to do a new order, change it to pending, change it to a sell stop. Again, this is down here 1.72. So I'm going to just go 7. I'm just going to say 7.2. And you can see there it is on here. So we bracketed the market. If the market goes higher, it's going to catch us and hopefully go higher. If the market pulls back hard and breaks through support, we're going to catch that sell stop. A buy limit, a buy stop is above the market. We want to catch the move higher. A sell stop is below the market. We want to catch the move lower. So that explains our market order, gets you in the current price. We've also showed you how to put in a buy limit and a sell limit. And we've also showed you how to do our stop orders.